Mark here from Beefree, and in this video we're going to show you how to connect Zoho Campaigns to Beefree. Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing software designed for businesses to streamline marketing operations, including contact management and email and SMS campaigns. With our Zoho Campaigns Connector, you can create great-looking emails in Beefree and then quickly export them to Zoho Campaigns in just a few clicks. And now you can leverage Beefree's flexible design capabilities as well, while tapping into the robust email sending tools found in Zoho Campaigns. Here's how to connect Zoho Campaigns to Beefree. So here we are on the email details page of our email. Let's make sure your subject line and any UTMs are filled in, as they will be transferred to Zoho Campaigns upon export. Next, we can select Export, and in the pop-up menu, we can click Push to your sending system, and then select Zoho Campaigns. To connect your Zoho Campaigns account to Beefree, you'll need to sign in to your account. So let's add our email and password, and then sign in. Awesome. Your Zoho Campaigns account is now connected to your Beefree workspace. Before you can send your email as a template, you'll need to fill out several fields, including campaign name, the sending email address, the intended mailing list, and the topic ID. Let's take a moment to explain what a topic ID is. With Zoho Campaigns, you can organize your contacts into different groups called topics based on the type of emails you want to send. You can think of topic IDs like categories for different types of messages, such as product update emails, sales emails, special offers, or even monthly newsletters. This helps you manage and let your contacts know about the various kinds of emails you're sending out. Since the default category is marketing, we can just choose that. Let's go ahead and hit Create. And great, our email campaign was sent successfully. We can now access Zoho Campaigns by clicking this link here. When we land in Zoho Campaigns, we end up on the dashboard. To find our email, we can head to the left sidebar and click Campaigns, and then Email Campaigns. Now that we've found our email, we're ready to access our campaign by simply clicking on the title. Now, if you need to make changes to your design, you can click on the three dots here, where you'll have a few options to edit the subject and sender details. You can edit the HTML content and edit the plain text content. However, we strongly advise that you make any edits inside Beefree, especially when it comes to modifying design elements, tweaking the layout, or making multiple changes to the text and formatting of your email. This is because Beefree can't guarantee your designs will appear accurately upon sending if those edits take place in Zoho Campaigns. By editing in Beefree, we'll make sure your designs are fully responsive and well optimized for rendering, so that the recipient always sees the exact same email you designed. Just remember that any changes you make to your email in Beefree will need to be re-exported to Zoho Campaign as a new email campaign. And that's it for this video. Get ready to create beautiful emails in Beefree and then send them to your customers using the powerful features of Zoho Campaigns, all with speed and simplicity. Thanks for watching.